Have you ever wondered how those brick-like pavers are made by machines? Join me as we explore a step-by-step process of transforming raw materials into finished pavers. You are going to see the whole process from mixing concrete to molding to curing. You will witness the entire step-by-step process on how machines create those paver blocks from start to finish. Basically, the paver block making machine is entirely based on the concept of vibration and compression. It all begins with raw materials. The major materials required to make pavers are stone dust and cement. The first step is to add stone dust into the batching machine. The common batch ratio here is 3 flat wheelbarrows of stone dust. There are two kinds of stone dust, one called mixed and another called smooth. So you will add 2 flat wheelbarrows of mixed stone dust and 1 flat wheelbarrow of smooth stone dust. And this mix will give you 100 very strong pavers. Or you can decide to add 3 flat wheelbarrows of mixed type stone dust and 1 flat wheelbarrow of smooth type stone dust, and this will give you around 130 medium strength pavers. The second step is to bring the dry stone dust into the mixer using the conveyor belt. Cement is added here in the mixer and also water is added at this stage. 1 bag of cement is added and also about 40 liters of water are added at this stage, and then the mixer turns around 6 times. You have to note that we use cement with an R. R denotes rapid hardening because it sets fast. Do not use cement with an N. It will delay hardening, which means it will lead to several breakages. And that's why we use cement with an R. In case you want to add road line, which is optional, you add it at this stage in the mix. And for every 1 bag of cement, you add 3.5 kilograms, which is half bag of road lime. The third step is molding. After mixing is complete, the mixture is then transferred to the molding machine using the conveyor belt. This machine uses molds that are specifically designed to create the shape and the size of the paver. The concrete is poured into these molds, then vibrated to remove the air bubbles to ensure a dense solid structure, and then compacted. When you want a different paver shape, it's just a matter of changing the mold. For example, this is the mold for double T pavers, rectangular pavers. The mold inside here is for the hexagon shape pavers, among others. The fourth step is producing the pavers and curing. After producing the pavers, they are taken outside to an open place. You have to do constant curing, that is 3 times a day, to ensure hardening of the pavers. After like 2 days of initial hardening, stack the pavers outside in a gazetted place and continue curing for at least 2 weeks. After curing for around 2 weeks, you can now deliver the pavers on site for laying. That's all about the process of making pavers by machine from start to finish. I hope you get something from it. If this video was helpful to you in any way, kindly hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate. Watch this next video about how to make concrete blocks by machine.